Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Sikhye, which is a Korean rice punch. For this dish, we need to start by cooking a half cup of rice in our rice cooker. While that's cooking, we need some barley malt, 6 ounces. I'm putting this into a nut bag to make it easier, or cheesecloth if that's what you have. Tie that up and add 7.5 cups of water. We're going to let this soak for half an hour, but going in periodically and massaging every 10 to 15 minutes. We really want to get that starch out of the barley malt. So just go in and give that a little squeeze. And I did this 4 times. So you can see this water getting murkier and murkier. That is the goal. This is the last time. Now we can discard the barley malt. It's done its job. And now we need to cover this up and let this rest for half an hour. The rice is done cooking. We're going to add in a tablespoon of sugar. Just to start the fermentation process. This is a light fermentation, and add in all of our barley water. Being careful not to get the sediment at the bottom, so just go slowly and you'll see the sediment at the bottom. It's heavier, so it'll rest on the bottom. Then we're going to close our rice cooker and let this stay on warm for 4 hours. You know it's ready when you see little kernels floating. Transfer that over to a pot, add in that excess water that's still in there, leaving the sediment behind, add a 1/4 cup of sugar, and bring this up to a boil. We're going to boil this for half an hour, going in and skimming off any scum that rises to the top. And this is pretty much ready. Transfer this over to a clean container. And I like to serve this cold. I like it just better that way. So I'm going to put this in the fridge after it comes to room temperature overnight. Just top with a little pine nut. Let's give this a sip. It is nutty, it's sweet, it's really delicious and really refreshing. It would be a perfect dry January drink or party drink. But there it is, Sikhye. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me once again today. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you so much again. And until next time, happy cooking.